We at Stray Cat want to send good wishes to the people of Ukraine for a successful conclusion of their crises. My women warriors are on the way to Moscow to take care of business. Hang in there, Ukraine. So, alright. Good day, muchachos and muchachas. Come and ride along with Hawkeye and Jeannie on a trip visiting cities, communities, villages, towns, ghost towns, internment camps, beach camps, desert camps, and some other historical places of interest to determine what is really going on during the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. Click on that little black cat image on the bottom right-hand corner to subscribe. Absolutely free and absolutely no charge. No credit card needed. Be notified when new episodes are available to be viewed. Usually, every Friday at 11:45 a.m., but not guaranteed. It is our recommendation that if you are new to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails, start at the beginning with episode 1. Please share our videos with others. The videos are unscripted documentaries of Hawkeye and Jeannie's travels. Their mission is to show you places, things and events that you may not normally get to see or hear. Then publish videos on YouTube for you to check out. Episode 96 is a visit to Hobson Beach Park. Hobson Beach Park is a Ventura County park located in Southern California, north of Faria Beach Park and the Rincon Parkway. Hobson Park is wedged between the Pacific Ocean and the base of the Santa Ynez Mountains along California Highway 1. This park is easy to access and is only footsteps away from the Pacific Ocean. It is a very popular surfing spot. It has limited day use parking. The views of the Channel Islands are exceptional and are most notable at dusk. Tent camping and full RV hookups are available. Coin-operated showers, great free Wi-Fi, and a concession stand with great food like burgers, pizza and burritos is available. Not a fast food joint. All arrangements for camping should be done at venturaparks.org. Same-day bookings start at 11 a.m. each day. Reservation can be made 6 months in advance. Who knew? That is really cool. What do you think? I think that I have seen this place in a dream. Or was it a hallucination? Remember that all information is deemed to be reliable, however not guaranteed. Have an extraordinary day.
Oh, I got RV hookups here.
I am Pagan Woman Warrior Queen, Califia, the hostess of Hawkeye's Tales and Trails. Love you guys.
Restrooms are nice.
Buenos dias. Here is Hawkeye and Jeannie.
Yeah, look who's here. We have a celebrity amongst us.
Well, good morning, Hawkeye.
Good morning. And this is Hobson Park store or something. Breakfast burritos. Showers. Uh-oh.
That's my pet bull.
Got an unhappy customer here.
An English bulldog, right?
A Frenchie.
Frenchie, a French bulldog, yeah.
I breed them too.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
It's almost fun.
Yeah, I know, right?
Our niece got one of those.
Oh, she does.
That's the menu. Well, those of you that know me know that I know palm trees, and I don't know, palm trees don't grow like that. That's probably from years of constant wind. A couple other trees there are kind of bent over.
It's actually started.
Oh, I'm sure she's got a name. Yeah. Who?
Hawkeye.
Oh, here I am.
I'm working on yours now.
Okay. Do I come to the front window?
First, make the quick today.
He had Pacific Canyon Country. And
Did you
left me completely unattended.
give him a
and
tip?
well, with Mona.
okay.
She's a big help.
Oh, good.
Did you get a picture of the menu?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah. All right.
Careful carrying it. Maybe
Oh,
carry
okay,
those
here,
separate. Okay.
It's it's the end of the day, and there's only 2 surfers left, and by my guesstimation, it's a dude and a chick. You kind of tell by the body torso. They're all wearing wetsuits. All right, man, the dude goes for it. And he catches the wave. Nice ride, dude. Yeah, turn right. Oh, that's it. Alright, well, he probably screwed up by catching the wave and not letting his girlfriend get it. Oh, here she is. Yeah, dude, I saw your ride. Alright, they're going back out. Alright, here's the couple kind of swimming northbound. I guess they want to situate themselves where they saw some good swells earlier. Camera's still rolling. Here we go. Yeah. And, okay. Nah, no go. I'm sure this last ride of the day is probably going to be who dominates the bedroom tonight. Oh man, okay. Well, it's getting flat again, so we're going to have to wait a little bit for the next set. The next set of waves has just come in. Starting up there. Wow, we had one good wave there. Not in the right place at the right time. He didn't fall off. He jumped off. But I think he wins. He'll be the domineering partner tonight.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already
so
know.
it's 11 a.m. checkout time.
Let my money show. I've got
Hobson
these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life
Ventura
into
County,
something that you can
California.
never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
Probably can't see them through this wide angle lens, but it's a bunch of surfers out there.